this is Hans, a Swiss lathe manufacturer. I'm Sonia. Today I'd like to talk to you about the finishing and the roughing of the Swiss lathe.
Rough machining refers to the precision stage of quickly removing the excess materials on the surface of the workpieces through notch cutting amount, forming the black cloth to the final shapes of the workpieces, and reserving the allowance for the finishing machining. The machining accuracy requirement is relatively low. Finishing is based on the basis of rough machining, the use of a small cutting amount of the workpieces for high precision processing to achieve the required dimensional precision and surface quality. The accuracy requirements are relatively high, and the seams requirement for the tools will be higher.
By rationally describing the tasks of finishing and roughing, it is possible to improve the productivity while ensuring the accuracy and the quality of the final part.